If you have the new iOS 26, here are hidden features that are absolutely underrated. You think that once you turn off a permission for an app on your iPhone, that's the end of it. Let me tell you something. There is one button, and when you press it, it resets all the hidden permissions you're not even aware of. What's strange, 99% of iPhone users have never heard of it. Stay with me, because what's coming next is important. Over time, any iPhone ends up using many apps, camera apps, maps apps, social apps, or sometimes apps that were deleted a long time ago. The problem isn't the permissions you can see in settings. The problem is permissions that were granted before and are still stored inside the system itself. What does that mean? It means even if you turn off a permission now, old traces can still remain. That's why Apple included a very hidden option. One that completely resets two important things. So first, let's just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After you've opened up the Settings app, let's tap on General and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Let's tap on Reset. And next, let's tap on Reset Location and Privacy. And this part is very important. This button does not make your phone brand new. It's not a format. And it's not data deletion. It simply makes the iPhone say, let's start over. Every app must ask for permission again. After you do this, the first time you open any app, it will ask for permission again. That's normal, and it's not a problem. It's actually in your favor. Why is this really important? Because there are old apps that were granted permission and you forgot about them. The first category is your privacy, and the second category is your battery, retaining your battery life on your iPhone. There are deleted apps whose settings still exist. There are system updates that change how permissions are managed. This button does a smart cleanup. You won't feel a sudden change, but in the short term, better control, clearer permission requests, and the feeling that you are the one in control of your phone. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.